At DCM Tech, we don't just build machines. We build them with purpose, with pride, right here in Winona, Minnesota. Every machine we ship is made in America by people who care deeply about what they do. For 50 years, we've been perfecting the art of grinding. Each machine we deliver is the result of decades of know-how, American grit, and a relentless commitment to quality. This is the team behind the construction of your grinder, the people who put countless hours into perfecting their craft so that you can have a solid, American-made machine in your facility.
Coming out of high school, my goal was to do sales and retail, which I was going to do. Got the job here, and then I decided to expand my knowledge with electronics, electrical, mechanical stuff, which they have given me the opportunity for the schooling for. Now I went from literally knowing nothing. I didn't know anything about what even a ground symbol was. Now I build these electrical boxes, things that I now love to do, and this is a great place to work because they give you the knowledge, they give you the tools to learn this stuff.
One of the things that I really enjoy about working at DCM is that they really care about me being there for my family. A lot of my past employers, I'm just a number. They don't see me as a family person. I'm there to promote them. But DCM cares about me and my family, and if being there for my family is the best thing, then that's where they want me to be.
I've been at DCM probably 27 years. I guess what's kept me motivated is the owners are here on a daily basis. They come through, they check on you, they see what's going on. And my pride in my workmanship, I just like to do the job and make sure that when I'm at the end of the day, what I did is done properly.
From raw material to final inspection, it all happens under one roof, with skill, care, and American hands. DCM Tech, a truckload more.